guys, it's Siren. So I'm just on here today going to show you how to make the custom pictures in your homes. So basically, as you see, I've already opened up my Paint app on my PC. I have just made, this little thing. One of my fans, one of my really awesome fans, HOTFYRE, actually is requesting to see a video, and I know a lot of you also see the decals and probably want to know, because I wanted to learn how to when I first started, and this is how I learned. So you're going to just create whatever picture you want. You can take things off Google, you can add pictures, whatever it is that you want to do. You're going to go to File, Save As, and you're going to want to make sure that it's a PNG, okay? Name it whatever you want. As you see, I have all my other stuff here. It's pretty cool. I have a Roblox folder, so it's pretty awesome. Save. I've already saved it once, so I'm just going to replace it. You're going to go to your main screen here where it says Create. Okay, and then while it loads... While we're waiting, subscribe, like, turn on notifications, tell everybody to sub to my channel. Everybody's super excited. I'm getting a lot more fans. It's really awesome. I appreciate everything and everyone. Love playing with you guys every day. If I get 100 subs, then I'm going to do a face reveal, and I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for that for quite some time, so tell your friends to freaking sub. What else are they doing with their lives? Just kidding. Okay, anyways, decals right here. You're going to click on it. Sorry guys, my computer's really laggy because I have like the game going and the paint thing. Let's just close that real quick. Alright. So choose your file. Like I said, anything you load on here, whether it's decals, shirts, pants, anything, had to be PNGs. So these are all the clothes I've made and such. You're going to double click, make sure it says your name that you named it under decal name, and upload. Okay, and then you'll see it pop down here where it says video decal now. I'm going to click on that. And this is pretty much the same way to upload the shirts that you make, the pants that you make, and things like that. It's just making those, you have to use a template, but that's pretty accessible too. So it's not going to show it here yet. It takes a second for Roblox to actually like, okay, we're going to put it on the screen. But all you need is in this search bar here, there's a number. So I just highlighted it. I'm going to Control-C to copy. Go back over to the game. Basically, you're just going to go to any sign that you want here. Go to change it. Where it says Enter Image ID, Control-V. So that same number right here is what was up in your search bar. Add. And then it'll take a second. Bam. So that's how you make your own decal for your pictures in your homes or wherever you want to put them. I'll show you a couple. I really haven't even done a video on this hotel yet that I'm making, so kind of a sneak peek real quick. I made the sign up here that says Welcome to Siren Suite Resorts. I made this that says I make merch. So yeah, just so you guys know, I make merch. Any clothes, any pants, any shirts, if you guys special requests, just go ahead and message me in the chat and let me know what you want. I sell them for like 5 Robux, so it's pretty cheap. It's actually the cheapest that I can. They don't make them available for free. So I will be doing another tour of the hotel when it's finished. So there you go, HOTFYRE. That's how you do it. I hope this is helpful for any and all of you. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications if this was helpful, and tell your friends to sub. I'm an active fan, or I'm sorry, I'm active with my fans and play games all the time. I do give out free Robux for joining the fan club, which is on Roblox, Siren's Epic Fan Club. Anyways, get at your girl. Till next time, see you later.